ki pulit ka East Khasi Hills District ha ka miet jong ka Shiteng ubna ya yong kila kemno ya u arngut dkhot jong ka KSU South Khasi Hills District halor ka jing suba ba ula bande ubadan kti halor ka jingjia ba yap arngut ki bar jala ha Ichamati. Yakini ki dkhot ka KSU bala kem ki pulit bala tip kerteng kum u shambor lang shati al punrils nem nakashno wa utim bad u mesadap skembel na site sopen la kem hinin gamiet jong ka Shiteng uyayong but set hasora police station but minta ka step kilawan ra no sa Shillong but bu hasadar police station bentokin
si baje ngapat ha ka jingting rudon na hiya te ngaong don te ngaong don na din pat ngaongan peli la ka peli ong peli ben kun jong ong peli ben ngapat ha ta jingting ngap peli dah din ong peli tepi mai ngamat ne ayu hanamo peli la ka peli ngap peli ke dah peli te kesehatan te ngakaling ong nakadaw ayu mo kunya thu ngong sawan men step pem ayu pem sia te
pulit kami tu ipin nakadaw yu sa kem pulit
yung tip mana tu ka tip kelin ni tan ngala kalet na kalet di
Iwan
ki suka asan tengah asan ben
kami tu mentah balik kan.
Ai Shiteng
satu tu baja sport Ichamati dia. Kemudian tang kata yang bekinam le ro ki kuat taman keli kata dia.
Kamu ki om ban sukem taman keli-keli.
Ho. Taman tokit dia banap ke jingjia.
ada sembun dua
Yang nginda sim keli shua kan.
Satu bujinap ni kat nangut ke basuk kem ni tangi wave
Ba ya tu itu iba i parajong itu yok tang armut mata.
Para pi batu wave.
Ha.
Kita kira asan lah apa.
Ha, kiran.
ini kejuk lah
Em la ka jong.
tip wave ni
I ngam tim kidai na than surah hitam ngam tim pasnang nai.
Kamu ki om ki pulit ki om ken bat suane
Kin bat shua kin la adep tokin yang satan.
kan mesti
Kem padong kana situ.
kamu ki sukem menen kira wis ki asan sini.
Ha.
Ya ki bahaya mentasi apa.
Ngiwan mi hi bangi ratip tu bas kira mi tu mangi bahin tinggi bandra wan mi hi lagi jong para
Kamu jadi keran apa mentah kata ya keran kayak.
ngi chu ya kan chuli petang ai tangan tai ki ang bangin chu kin bat shwa kin li jingkeli shwa te kira ada jingkeli te kin song kin sapet ke
Long
hadiah
tempat penting kena ba.
Ha.
Dainan.
ha kin pat pen kana de
Long bersusuba.
ha okey chu kwa toket ha baki de naka ju asen ma
Yes, so pursuant to the two murders that took place under Shella PS, last night we made two arrests. Both were produced to court today, and the court has granted to us 7 days of police custody.
What are the sections?
30234, and further sections we will see as the investigation proceeds.
Any more persons involved in the crime?
Investigation is going on. Thank you.
Sir, what are the name of these two culprits?
I'll read it out to you. One is Shri Shanborlang Shati and the other one is Shri Mesadafor Skembel, both 26 years old.
Where are they from?
Sora.
Okay. So,
And it is still going on.
okay.
We are at the very initial stages of investigation, so investigation will go on into this case.
So what is the status as of now, and do you look forward to some more arrests now?
Yes, so investigation in this case is at very initial stage and it will go on. Thank you.
So the relative today we have spoken to them. They have expressed its permission that police went to pick him up around midnight. Why it was not done during daytime? Because his boys were there only in the
No, but we got certain leads into this case, the details of which I am not at liberty to divulge. And in the pursuit of that, last night we were able to make these two arrests. Thank you.
What is the motive?
No comments.
is there any
No, this is an investigation into two murders. Law will take its own course. Thank you. situation is now normal, peaceful.
Uh,
Yes, we have deployed additional force from outside the district, both in under Shala PS jurisdiction, also in Shillong.
how many companies?
No, they are from Meghalaya police only, but from outside the state. Thank you.
So, in view of the arrest, because they are stating that the situation might escalate, any kind of arrangement made, special arrangement or security arrangement for this?
Yes, we are maintaining highest vigil that no untoward incident take place, and we are hopeful the situation will remain peaceful.